Hey guys, this is Tony. I just want to let you know I want to apologize for not making it out here in time for the early morning freight trains. I overslept and I'm feeling kind of sick this morning, but I feel fine enough just to try to get at least Amtrak this morning, and maybe freight train too, depending what what's going on with that maintenance over there, but here 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 comes Amtrak. Excuse me. There she goes Amtrak. A little while for purchasing it. I'll talk to you later, bro.